So, uh,
navbar.tsx.
hello. I hope my voice is properly audible as I have wear the earphone right now. So, I would like to show you what is a VLAN and how to configure it in a Cisco packet tracer. Alright. So, to configure a VLAN, first we need a switch. We need some end devices like laptops, PCs like laptops and all. Then we need to connect them. Alright. So let's just connect them with uh, the switch itself. Port 3 not be connected to. Okay. Port 4, this will be port 5. Alright. So we have connected our PCs and the laptops with the switch. So what I would like to do now is I would like to show you uh, how to, like, these are two different entities, right? This is a different network. This is a different network on the same switch, and this is a different network on the same switch. But we can't afford to have a different switches, so we would like to do virtual networking. So by that, the packets and the things of these three PCs will be considered in, like, will be remain in these three PCs only, and the data of these two laptops will be inside these two laptops only rather than going outside and sending packets to broadcast in the switch and all that stuff. So it will be easy for the host, it will be easy for the users of the PC to access the data and manage the data, and it will be easy for the network admin also to, like, capture the, like, we can get to know that if anything is wrong we can troubleshoot it easily, like from which PC or from which network does that shit came from, right? So yeah, let's start configuring it. To configure it we need to open the CLI, we need to write enable, then on T. All right, so we are now at the config panel. After the config panel we need to make a VLAN 3, sorry, yeah, VLAN 3, name laptop. Okay, that's it. VLAN 2, name PC, exit. Okay, so we have created two VLANs. uh, it's not showing right now. Yeah, it is, there are two VLANs created but we have not added the device into that, so let's just add the device. Wait a second, what was the command? And fast Ethernet 01 Okay, so we need to send this device to
अरे मारो फोन जो है
nah
तो फोन करना
nah.
फिर ऊपर से जो मैं बात करता हूँ तो क्या
So we need to send this device to the VLAN one. All right, like the VLAN of PC. So how can we do that? I just did it today only, right? Yes, there was I was doing that stuff today only. I only configured it with my own hands. It was way above as it is a basic thing. Uh, so I just need to send. Okay. Okay, okay. So yeah, switch port. Okay, got it. Got it. I just forgot the commands. Switch port access PC. VLAN. So let's just check it. Yep, we have successfully done this shit. So let's just exit from there. We need to do for the second PC. For the second PC also we need the same. Exit. We need to do for third PC. Correct. Up. Okay. Boom. For the fourth PC, we need to do that to third port. Exit. For the fifth PC, also third port. Sit. So yeah, our basic virtual local area network configuration is completed. So I would like to show you how is it completed or how does it work. So if a normal PC would be there, oh sorry, my bad. I didn't assign the IPs to this. Just the 1.4, 0.3, 1.4, 0.5, and 0.6. So in a normal network, if there are no VLANs supported or there are no VLANs created, what would happen is if I send a packet from PC0 to PC2, it will go. Alright. If I send a packet from PC0 to laptop, it will go. But in virtual VLAN, the packets will not flow if the thing is outside the reach. So what I mean by outside the reach. So see this and this. So let's send a packet. The packet is gone. The packet is asking for the switch to give me the access of the IP address, destination IP 1.5. Alright. So the frame is asking for the IP. But the thing is that thing is connected into the virtual LAN. So it cannot be distributed. Uh, this is a totally whole different network. This is a whole different network. So this data cannot uh, come here. This data cannot come here. It can move in this only, and this data cannot come here. It can move here only. So yeah, this is the basic use case of VLAN. See, the packet that goes to switch ask for switch for the address which he doesn't have, so he tries to broadcast it to whatever the packets are available to him. Again, he broadcasts including the person, including the device which he was being released from. But again, it is not getting. So it tries to give the packets this side also. But the thing is, it does not have access to that side. So yeah, it just stops and the status is failed, complete failed. So yeah, this is how the normal VLAN works. And yeah, this is how you can create a virtual local area network if you get into any company, and if you want to create that, you can do by this. But you will say, Aryan, what if we want to make these two devices communicate? What if we want to? So we have a solution for that also. So the solution is a router. All right. So I don't know how to explain this to you, but I have a great analogy for this. Let's not consider it as analogy. It would be great if I was having a pen and pencil to show you, but no worries. I will be writing this in my notebook. So yeah, fuck it. YT audience. Uh, shit. Mm, how to show it to you? So this is a device. Uh, Wait a second. This is not a device. This is a device. This is the router. Sorry, this is the switch. This is the device. There is another device, and this also has another device. This also has another device. Both are connected to the switch. These two are also connected to switch. But the thing is, they are in different VLANs. So this is in VLAN 1. Uh, this is VLAN 1. And this is VLAN 2. Alright, so they cannot communicate with each other. They cannot just directly send message from here to there, here to here. It is not possible for them. So what is possible for them? So what they need is uh, wait a second. What they need is a a router. A, a router. So what will this router do? It will take the packet from this PC. It will see that there is a message on the VLAN that needs to go to the VLAN second another PC, the PC which is situated in VLAN 2, but it cannot directly access it. So, yeah, this is not possible. So what it will do is it will take the message from VLAN. We have a connection of switch to router. So it will take the message from VLAN. It will see and send the message to VLAN 2 and ask if there is any IP address or any IP related to the destination IP. So if VLAN 2 says yes, I am having a IP, so it will send the message to the targeted IP, and this is how the thing works. Don't go on the diagram; it is pretty bad, but yeah, I hope you understand what I was trying to tell you. Yeah. So once again, these are the PCs. This is the router. PC, let's consider it. One, two, sorry, three, and four. All right. So our one wants to send the data to three. One wants to send the data to three. Direct is not possible. Also, with switch also it's not possible because there is a partition in between. So this is also not possible. So this is also not possible. So what will you do? So this one will send the data to VLAN 1. Alright. VLAN will say, okay, I got the data, but I need to send it to the router. The router will say, okay, I got the data, but what do I do with the data? So the destination IP would be there. So the router will say, I know this IP, I have assigned it to somewhere in the VLAN 2. So it will send the data packet to VLAN 2. VLAN 2 will answer that if there is the destination IP in that network or not. If the destination IP is in the network of VLAN 2, it will send the data packet there. It will receive the data packet back from that set, and the data will flow again back to the PC1. So this is how the interconnection between VLANs is done. If you are having a normal network, all right, without a VLAN, you are having a normal. This is the PC. This is the PC. This is the PC. This is the PC. You are connected to this, and this. You are connected by this. So if you want to send the data, you can directly go from here to here. You can directly go from here to here to here. You can send anywhere. The data packets flow will be same. So there was no worry if there is no virtual VLAN part differentiation in the network. If there are VLANs, we need to route the data with this methodology only. There is no other possible way. You cannot directly just send the data to direct from second PC to third PC, right? You cannot directly send it with using the cables also, using the router directly also. You have to send by this methodology only. All right. So now let's whatever I did this. Sorry, whatever the shit I did here. Let's just recreate it in our this much is done. We have created two VLANs, we have some PCs and laptops in there. We just need to do this stuff. The remaining stuff is this. We need to pass the data from VLAN 1 to router to VLAN 2, and we are good to go for the today's learning. Although it is less, but let's just keep it. All right. Self decompression thing. What is it happening? Yo, what the fuck? Uh, let's just remove this router. We have it. What the hell, bro? iOS image load test? I have not seen this command executing or something. Oh, fuck. But there is no other option other than waiting for this to completely get executed. So, अरे भाई, why the hell does it take so much time to just get boot? Probably, yeah. Okay, so I can't just add a device randomly in the simulation mode, right? I just switch from simulation to real time, it just get, fuck that. It just get easily configured in a few seconds only. Oh, I don't know what was that. So we need to go to gigabit 0, then we need to shut down, do write memory, alright. So what it does is our switch is connected to router. So the switch is connected to router. The connection between this uh, uh, the connection between the switch and router is made, but the router doesn't know that this is the switch is having VLAN 1 and VLAN 2. Router is still thinking that I am just connected to a switch, and every message I just have to flow from here to there. Alright, so router doesn't know that shit. So we need to make the router know that this is a VLAN network and you have to transfer the data from PC1 to PC3 via this switches method. Yeah, let's start doing that shit. So at first we need to tell the router that there are VLANs. So how will we tell this? Okay. Okay, so we just need to tell the PC that on what port it is connected, gigabit 00, so 00.2 sub interface variation dot 1q and 2. The IP address of this is 192.168.2.1 and the subnet will be 255.255.255.0. Let's just exit from here. We'll go into the third thing. The IP address here will be oh shit. Okay. Yeah, so this is done. So yeah, our router is able to handle the uh, device. Our router is able to handle the things for that. Now we need to config switch port email. Wait a second for some time. हाँ 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 ले लो हाँ. So yeah, the VLANs are configured till make ports, make switch port trunk, the port connected to router. Okay. And F05. All right. So this will send the this is a random packet going here to get the address. Holy fuck. What the fuck did I just do? Okay, so I just need to add the device again onto my. I just need to add this device once again, switch port mode access. Switch port VLAN. All right. So the set is done completely. So now just let's stimulate it. So the packet will go from PC 0 to VLAN 1, which is in switch 1. It will try to give it to all the connected net to work. Motherfucker, I just made a big mistake. Mine. But there is no fucking IP of this PC. So, 7.2 send the data to 2.2. 2.3. Okay, this is 2.4. Um, okay, sorry. This is 3. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This is about, Holy shit, I just forgot to add the default gateway. Are you saying that? Hold on. No, no, go slow. So I showed you there in this STL draw, right? And this is how the networking is flowing. If you can notice it, if I send a packet from PC1 to laptop 1, wait a second. If I send a packet from PC1 to laptop 1, alright, this is the orange packet. If I want to send a packet from here to here, I cannot directly send. What will it will do? It will go to VLAN 1, right? And which is situated in switch 1 only. So we'll not see that it is going in specific VLAN 1 or something. It will go to switch port only, but if you were to see here, oh, I don't know where to find it. The outgoing port is trunk port. The incoming port VLAN number is allowed per switch and stored out of the frame. All right. Yeah, so we can see that uh, the frame has gotten somewhere around here. All right. So our frame is right now here. We want to send it here, but it cannot go directly. So what we'll do, we'll take the step, we'll just take it from here to router. Router knows everyone everywhere from everywhere. Router is the total boss. Alright. So router knows this side also, router knows this side also. Router has two eyes, which can see here also and which can see here also. Alright. But the switch is having some problem, or what you can consider, whatever you can consider. So switch cannot see on both the sides. So what we'll do, we'll take the packet from VLAN 1, we'll uh, tell the VLAN 2 that, see, we have a PC and we want to send you some data. So are you willing to accept it? VLAN 2 will say, why not? So VLAN 2 will take the data, it will give it to the PC, required PC, and it will send the acknowledgement packet back. See, this is in VLAN 2, VLAN 1 right now. It has gone to the router. Now it is coming back from the router. So yeah, you can see it is coming back from the router. Now let's check the message. What is it? The outgoing port is an access port which sends the MAC address found in the MAC table of script. This is a unique address which looks okay. What inbound video details? Again, it will say, okay, so now I am in VLAN 2. I have just crossed the border with some special permissions or something. So now when I can roam around here and there, I can just go and fuck around here, right? So the packet is VLAN 2. Now it can go anywhere in the PC or whatever the desired output is. So it will go to the laptop 1. Okay, it has received. So now the returning is in the process. So it will go to VLAN 2. It cannot directly go to VLAN 2 to 1 and then directly to the PC. So it has go to VLAN 2, then to router, uh, uh, then to the router, and then back to the VLAN 1. And once it came back to VLAN 1, it can go and fuck around the whole network, and it can roam around the whole network. So yeah, this is how the interconnection of VLAN works. Pardon me for my network commands as I am not having a good grip on it. But my concepts are clear, so that's a good thing that I am proud of. But the time that I took to clear the concepts is not the thing I am proud of. So yeah, just ignore it if you can. If you cannot, just go fuck yourself because I don't care. All right, so that's the thing that I showed you. This here. All right, and the code is also successful. Any progress? What the hell? Why are two packets getting sent? Damn, fuck it. So yeah, I hope you like the stream and you will do like, share, subscribe, and all. I will try to edit some clips from here and there, and we'll see what to do. So yeah, that's it for today, and bye bye.